Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world. This is an NFT art. Its title is Every Days, the first 5,000 days, and is basically a compilation of the 5,000 artworks that he did. It was made by Mike Winkelmann and was sold in the market. Can you guess how much it is? I would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you have guessed around $69.3 million, then you're probably right. Today, I will be walking you through how you can create your own NFT art and how you can market it and make some money. But first of all, if you didn't already know the meaning of NFTs, it stands for non-fungible token. It basically gives you a digital ownership rights for a particular art. Traditionally, when artworks are sold, it comes with a certificate attesting to its authenticity. Similarly, NFTs are like virtual certificates for digital artworks. There are no limitations on the kind of files that can be certified as long as it visually shows the art you hold. It's amazing how digital files can now be owned in a way that was not possible before, thanks to this new technology and innovation. After learning a bit more about NFTs, let's have a look on how to create and post your first NFT in the market. Anyone can do this, and the tutorial can be summarized in about 4 simple steps. Let us begin by creating a new cryptocurrency wallet if you don't have one already. So, the currencies you can use in the NFT market are Ethereum, Tezos, Flow, and Polygon, to name a few. What we're using in this video will be mainly Ethereum. What you want to do is purchase some Ethereum. Then, link your new crypto wallet to your chosen NFT market. Finally, we'll go through the process of posting your artwork and creating an NFT. Now, starting off with setting up our crypto wallet. What I chose is the Rainbow Ethereum wallet that you can download in the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on which device you are using. There are a bunch of other wallets you can choose from, but we'll be focusing mainly on Rainbow today. In the Rainbow app, you can establish a new wallet that you may name based on your preference or your real name. If you're using an iOS device, you may just press the buttons to make a purchase using Apple Pay, wherein you are given the choice to add Ethereum to your account with automated price shortcuts showing on the screen. So if you wish to mint and make your own NFT, I would suggest beginning with roughly $100. Seems pretty big for a starting price, right? Nevertheless, that should cover the extra fees in the creation of your NFT. Despite the fact that these prices are always in flux, the recent spike in demand for this new technology has resulted in higher than usual prices. So these are what you need to expect. So better save up now, since it's a great investment after all. The next and second step is to use that $100 to buy Ethereum, which you can instantly do using Apple Pay, or if you're using another device, it's applicable with other payment methods too. Using the Rainbow wallet, you may begin by depositing some Ethereum. Now, it is time to connect your crypto wallet to one of the NFT markets so you may purchase, sell, and make your original NFTs. So, the NFT market we'll be encountering today is Rarible.com, which is one of the easiest and widely available ones to use. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Just go to the website, and when it shows the homepage, click the Connect Wallet button located on the upper right corner of the page. That redirects you to a variety of wallets you may connect to. Since we're using Rainbow Wallet, we'll be choosing the Wallet Connect option. Clicking the Wallet Connect option will show a QR code. Then, you need to open the Rainbow app, open the camera, and scan the QR code. This will instantaneously connect Rarible to your Rainbow wallet. And as you tap Connect, it will automatically create an account on the Rarible website linked to your wallet. As a result, we are now in a position to begin purchasing or creating our own NFT. Here's to how actually convert your content into NFT. If you have your artwork already downloaded into your system, you can grab it and mint it as your first NFT on Rarible. Upon signing it, you'll see a Create button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. So, I'm going to click it. This gives you a decision whether to mint your NFT as a one-of-a-kind piece of art or mint multiple copies. In order to make this a truly unique piece, we will select the single option. Next up, you'll be directed to the upload screen. You can go ahead and upload your file by clicking Choose File. After that, it gives you a small preview of it. And from there, you'll be able to make further decisions of either selling it or keeping it as an NFT in your personal crypto wallet. If we're moving forward to selling, we can set an instant sale price for the art item that will be available for immediate purchase. If we don't turn that on, then it will go to a standard auction, in which bids will be placed and you will have the freedom to either accept or reject them. Furthermore, there is the option to unlock when purchased as well. Here, you can include a link for the public to access a high-quality version of your NFT. Scrolling a little bit down, you'll see that you have to put a corresponding name and description that will characterize your artwork. A great feature here that makes NFTs special are the royalties. With this, you can enter a specific value that will return to you, even if others have bought the piece. It's basically an indefinite commission. It really makes NFTs unique and entirely different from traditional art pieces. So, you're gonna wanna set your royalty value at around 20%. That is in between the typical royalties in the market. The final step is clicking the Create item that will complete the process of entering all the necessary data. After that, it's going to ask your Rainbow wallet to approve the transfer. You're going to have a notification of transaction requests in the Rainbow app to move forward towards creating your NFT. Once you've completed the transaction in your wallet, the rest of the minting procedure will begin. Thus, once your NFT is minted and ready, it will now be visible in the Rarible website. There, you can monitor the status of transactions as well as bid requests. That is how you create your first NFT. Now we're done, all in a matter of a few minutes. Pretty easy, right? To sum it up, we began by creating a brand new cryptocurrency wallet. Once we had our Ethereum that we purchased for our wallet, we connected to our wallet to an NFT market, in this case, Rarible.com. Finally, we uploaded our art and minted it into an NFT. That's all for today. I hope you've learned something from today's video. If you did, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. I would like to see your first NFTs that you have created, and you can share your thoughts and experiences about it in the comments section below. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.